Imagine a logistics system where everyone is treated fairly, where small businesses can move their goods with confidence, and drivers are paid justly for the work they do. That's the vision behind Logitech. Logitech is an ethical Sharia-compliant logistics technology platform designed to connect local businesses with drivers through a transparent, fair, and community-driven system. Built as an online crowdsourcing platform, Logitech ensures that every transaction follows Islamic business principles, free from exploitation, uncertainty, and unfair practices. Today, the logistics industry faces serious challenges. Across developing regions like the Philippines, small businesses struggle to find reliable and affordable transport. At the same time, drivers often face unfair wages, unclear terms, and unethical treatment. A lack of transparency leaves both sides vulnerable, while large centralized players prioritize profit over people. Logitech exists to change that. Our platform introduces a values-first logistics ecosystem, one that emphasizes trust, fairness, and sustainability. Businesses can access dependable delivery services without hidden fees or unethical practices. Drivers receive clear job terms, fair compensation, and dignified working conditions aligned with Islamic ethics. We recognize that building this kind of platform comes with risk. Competition from established logistics players is strong. Regulatory requirements around Islamic finance and ethical compliance require careful navigation. Technology access can vary across regions, and earning trust from both businesses and drivers is essential. That's why Logitech is designed with adaptability at its core. By combining AI-empowered optimization with direct user feedback, the platform continuously improves routing, pricing, and service quality, while remaining grounded in ethical decision-making. Every feature is built to support long-term sustainability rather than short-term gain. What truly sets Logitech apart is its unique value proposition. A logistic platform that doesn't just move goods, but uplifts communities. We empower local businesses. We protect the rights of drivers. And we give consumers a choice to support ethical commerce. Logitech isn't just logistics. It's logistics with purpose, built on trust, guided by values, designed for a better future.